ice. We're eating at Helens Hot Chicken.
Switch to the big camera.
Where's the right here? That's the one we're getting right there.
Alright, we got the food here.
Here's the flavor we got.
It's the hottest one they have here.
Yeah,
and I got their tea. Let's try that real quick.
Sprite. Alright, here we go.
Taste test the Sprite. Oh, frick.
Ooh. That's hot, dude. That's hot.
Oh,
We got the
tea.
fries.
Dude, do you want to try this? It's pretty good.
It's like
Oh, jeez.
it's like soaked with
Oh, it
hotness.
smells. Oh. Wait, you ready to try it? Alright, try this fry real quick. Good fry.
So here,
Right.
it's a hot chicken food review. I'll grab this one.
Okay.
Grab that. That one's like wet.
Alright, I'm gonna eat this. Alright, dude. 3. Oh, it's so crunchy. It's gonna be
3,
good. But
2,
Alright.
1.
But instant spicy. Oh my god.
Oh my.
Good, but it's spicy. Very spicy. No drinks, no drinks. You have to eat one chicken tender without a drink. But wait, I don't even mind I do that. That
is too hot. That's
it's
so
too hot.
Alright.
It feels like I just. Oh, you just blow on that? Are you dumb?
Alright, second bite, dude. Let's chalice down.
Oh, look. That's how I know it's hot too, dude. Oh wait, they're pickled. Get that pickle real quick. Even that pickle's spicy. Oh. I'm gonna get
And fries.
you're supposed to make a sandwich. Alright, you gotta make a sandwich with this very hot sauce drenched thing. And it's piece of chicken. Yum. ASMR.
Alright, so the bread's drenched with the sauce too. So I'll make it even hotter.
Oh, it's so hot.
Here we go.
Wow.
More pop.
It's so crunchy and good. But then it's also hot. It's
It's a
killing
good
me.
flavor.
But it's
flavor.
killing you.
Yeah.
Dude, shut up. Oh, jeez. I need that. It hurts.
I'm getting some drink.
Getting some drink.
Oh my.
I might.
I made it worse.
Hey,
I made it worse. Take a look at that chicken.
put some in your eye.
So, like, this shit looks hot. Looking at it.
What's our new place to come in the summer? When we're hungry.
Wow. I've been to some pretty hot chicken places. It's probably one of the hottest I've had.
Oh, frick. We live in Tennessee too, so.
Real hot. Yeah, Nashville hot chicken. That's what it's famous for. You can see.
Oh gosh, I'm about to take a bite of that.
My eyes are watering right now.
I'm about to take a bite of that drenched piece.
Yeah, you can see the
I hope
bread.
it'll start hiccuping.
The bread is really soaked with sauce.
Oh, the hiccups. Drink break.
Ooh.
Or not.
Still got one dinner left. You gonna split it?
Oh god, I'm not sure. I'm not even finished mine.
Hey, you still got finished yours. Alright, we're gonna finish this chicken,
So
and we'll give you the food review.
food.
And we'll tell you what we like about it and what we think is good about it after we finish eating it. Alright, so Sebastien, you couldn't finish the.
Dying.
He's dying, so we got one left. So I'm just gonna go.
If you don't eat it, then I get to throw it at you in the parking lot.
I'm gonna go ham and eat this. Time me. You should time me.
Alright. If you don't eat it all in, and if you don't eat it all in 30 seconds, I can throw it at you in the parking lot.
I got 30 seconds to eat this giant piece of hot chicken.
Ready? Go. Oh, rip you. Just chow down. Don't even taste it. Just eat it. You're at 10. You're at 15 seconds. You have 50 more seconds. 18, 20, 20 seconds. You're at 20 seconds. You got 10 seconds. Go.
Come on.
The only pieces you don't finish, I can throw at you. Oh, are you done?
Come on.
All right, 30 seconds. There it is. All right, I get to throw this. Oh, you put it in the catch.
My mouth is legit burning right now.
All right, I get to throw this piece of chicken at him in the parking lot.
So, here's a review. The fries.
Tummy feel?
Fries 10 out of 10. I like the fries so much. Chicken.
10 out of 10 for me too. Fries
Yeah.
good.
Chicken had a nice like hot flavor. Like it's good.
Crunchy.
Good hot chicken.
Nice and crunchy.
It had a good flavor. Good hot level.
Hotness level.
Like it was like hot, challenging hot.
It was like it was when you took the first bite. It was like not that bad, and then it was really bad, and the second bite just killed you.
But yeah, it's a good place. If you have Helens Hot Chicken near you, I'd go there and eat it. It's some
But
good hot chicken.
crunchiness of the chicken, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's good chicken. Alright, so we just got done eating the chicken. I'm about to go set the cameras so he can throw the
it
chicken.
at his face, right in his eyes. Squeeze the chicken juice into his eyes.
Just throw it so hard. That'd be good.
Hit you right in the nuts.
Alright, right now we got the chicken.
We got the GoPro Hero 5 and the GoPro Hero.
So we're about to he's about to hit me with it right now.
Alright, so we got ourselves the chicken right here. Oh, Luke is about to get murphed on.
Here you go. Oh my
no. Oh no. Frick.
The chicken, he is dead.
Oh shoot, my butt.
More chicken.
Eat more chicken. That's it.
Oh,
Oh, yummy. Oh, it went everywhere. Ow, frick. No. Ah, it like hurts. Oh no. Frick.
the chicken, he is dead.
Oh, shoot.